Have you ever imagined creating unique and perfectly consistent cartoon characters like this in just a few minutes? Leonardo AI makes it easy for you. Just a few descriptions of your character, and this tool will generate vibrant and consistent images. Explore Leonardo AI now and witness the creative power of technology. To get started, just click the link in the description below to sign into the Leonardo AI platform. Well, first we need. Here's what the Leonardo AI interface looks like. First, just click right here to create your account and log in. It's super quick and easy. You'll notice here that there are two options for logging in. The first is to sign in with a Google account, or I'll sign up for an email account. For convenience, I will log in with Google. This is what the Leonardo interface looks like after you've successfully logged into your account. As you can see, there are already lots of sample images created earlier. You can browse through them to find a style that suits you best. Leonardo gives you 150 tokens each day to create images, and they'll reset daily. If you run out, you can either wait for the next day, make a new account, or upgrade your plan to keep going. And now, let's click here to start creating your own image. As you can see, I've also created some demo images here to make sure the character stays consistent. And right now, I'm going to show you how to create consistent characters just like these. To create consistent character images throughout your story, the first step is to craft a dedicated image prompt specifically for that character. This way, Leonardo can recognize the character and generate images that maintain visual consistency from one scene to the next. And I'll ask ChatGPT to help me craft the perfect image prompt tailored for my character. Now, I'll open ChatGPT, the free version works just fine, and ask it to write a YouTube script for me based on a story, like Little Red Riding Hood, for example. I'll ask ChatGPT to write an image prompt for each scene of the story, so every moment comes to life visually. As you can see, ChatGPT quickly created the entire story for me. And under each scene, it included a matching image prompt to bring that moment to life visually. Then, I'll ask ChatGPT to create a detailed and specific image prompt for Little Red Riding Hood, capturing her look and style perfectly. This is the prompt that ChatGPT just created for me. I'll copy it into Word or Notepad to save it, making it easier to maintain visual consistency when generating images later. I'll be using Notepad to save this specific command. Please keep in mind that this is a fixed instruction that must be appended to the end of every image generation prompt throughout the entire creative process for this story. Consistently including this command is crucial to maintaining the coherence and visual identity of your character. For the first part of each image generation prompt, please copy the instruction provided by ChatGPT for each specific segment of the story. This will ensure that the visual accurately reflects the narrative context. Please observe how I proceed. To generate the first image, I will copy the prompt that ChatGPT created for scene 1. Then, I'll paste it above the fixed command I previously saved in Notepad. This ensures a smooth and consistent workflow. As you can see, there are two parts in this prompt. The upper section contains the variable command that changes with each scene of the story, while the lower section holds the fixed command that remains consistent throughout the entire image creation process for the story. And now, I will copy both parts of the prompt and paste them into the image generation area of Leonardo AI, so that it can generate the image for me. You can leave the settings in this area as they are, since these are the default options optimized by Leonardo to help you generate the best possible images. Down here, you'll select the aspect ratio for the image you want to generate. Depending on your purpose, you can choose the ratio that best suits your needs. In my case, since I'm creating a YouTube video, I'll go with the 16:9 aspect ratio. In the free version, Leonardo AI automatically generates 4 images per prompt, which costs 24 tokens. And then I'll click here for Leonardo to begin generating the image. These are the images Leonardo just generated for me. As you can see, Little Red Riding Hood was created with curly hair. Now, if I want her to have long straight hair instead, I'll need to slightly adjust the image generation prompt. After that, I'll click to regenerate the image and wait a moment for the new results. Look at this, Leonardo has generated a new set of images based on my updated request. Now, Little Red Riding Hood has lovely long hair. Don't you think she looks even more beautiful? One very important step in creating consistent character images is to copy the character's generation seed. Simply click the 3 dots in the corner of the image you're happy with, then select Copy Seed. Next, open the Advanced Settings panel on the left side of the screen. Scroll down, enable the Use Fixed Seed option, and then paste the seed code you just copied into the field. This way, Leonardo will generate characters in the upcoming images that match the one from the image whose seed code you just pasted into the Use Fixed Seed field. And now, to create the second image, All you need to do is copy the image generation prompt for scene 2 that ChatGPT has provided for you. Next, highlight and replace part 1 of the previous prompt, the image generation command for scene 1, with the new command you just copied for scene 2. Keep part 2 of the prompt unchanged. Once that's done, simply click the Generate button to create the image. Please wait a moment while Leonardo generates the image for you. Take a look at the images Leonardo just generated. You see how the character's face closely resembles the one from scene 1. Even the outfit looks quite similar. Isn't that amazing? I think this image looks really beautiful, don't you agree? And now, I'll move on to generate the image for scene 3 of the story. I'll now take the image generation prompt for scene 3, paste it into the top part of the prompt field in Leonardo, and then click the Generate button. Wow, it seems like the Wolf Leonardo just created looks a bit too gentle and cute, doesn't it? I'll need to regenerate this image, and I'm going to ask ChatGPT to create a new prompt for scene 3. I'll go back to ChatGPT and enter a prompt asking it to rewrite the image generation command for scene 3. After that, I'll review the prompt to see if it looks good and accurately describes the image of the wolf. If everything is okay, I'll copy the new prompt and paste it into Leonardo, replacing the previous one. Then, I'll click to regenerate the image. This is the image Leonardo just regenerated for me. It looks much more like a fierce and menacing wolf now, doesn't it? Leonardo also offers a feature to create videos from images, but it's only available in the paid version. If you're interested, feel free to leave a comment. I'd be happy to make a tutorial video for you. If you find an image you like, simply download it. The process for creating the remaining images is exactly the same. And that's a wrap. I hope this tutorial helped you understand how to create consistent character images for your story using Leonardo AI. With just a few simple steps and a bit of creativity, you can bring your entire narrative to life visually. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, or leave a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts, and if you have any questions or need a tutorial on something else, just let me know. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.